Isinumang ni Eddie Gutierrez ang kanyang ika-84 na kaarawan noong ika-6 ng Pebrero taong 2026. Ang selebrasyon ay simple at pribado, na ginanap bilang intimate family gathering. Walang eksaktong detalye na inilabas tungkol sa venue, pero malinaw na ito ay kasama ang kanyang pamilya sa isang tahimik na pagdiriwang. Kasama niya sa selebrasyon ang kanyang asawang si Annabel Rama, ang kanilang mga anak, at iba pang malalapit na kamag-anak. May mga birthday greetings at tributes din mula sa kanyang mga anak at apo na ibinahagi sa social media. Ipinakita sa mga post at mensahe na si Eddie ay maayos ang kalagayan at nagpapasalamat sa buhay, lalo na matapos ang mga naging issue tungkol sa kanyang kalusugan. Ang tema ng selebrasyon ay pasasalamat, pagmamahalan, at pagiging buhay na buhay pa. Sa naturang celebration nga ay kinantahan ni Janine Gutierrez na kanyang apo kay Monching Gutierrez at Lotlot de Leon kasama ang kanyang kasintahan na si Jericho Rosales. Makikita din ang pagdating ni Barbie Imperial at Richard Gutierrez, kung saan, ay tanggap na tanggap ito sa pamilya ni Richard. Makikita si Barbie na lumapit ito kay Annabel Rama at kay Eddie Gutierrez para nakipagbeso. Makikita talaga kung gaano na ito katanggap si Barbie Imperial sa pamilya Gutierrez.
Sir, Captain, do you know Post Malone? Or Bad Bunny? No, I think Janine will say something first. Are we gonna sing? You say something until he forgets.
Sing na lang, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo! I am so lucky because Lolo is our Lolo, and I'm sure everybody feels the same way. Unfortunately, ang naman ako kay Lolo ay acting and not singing. But since it's your birthday, Lolo...
So we're gonna do an acting thing.
Since it's your birthday, Lolo will sing something.
Yes. He doesn't know. This one. Okay. This is gonna be, our first duet. Wow! Good luck. Baby, it's true. Don't be confused. There's no one that's everything. Let the music take your mind. When you will fly, you're gonna fly away. Find your own highway. I love you when we're cruising together. Music is playing, music is made for love. I love you when we're cruising together. Baby, tonight belongs to us. Everything's right to us. Ito na yung pang-asap. And each by each we get closer and closer. Little part of each other who make me again. Just give reason to love. 'Cause you're gonna fly away like you're on my way. When we're cruising together, music is playing. Thank you for having us. Tita, thank you for inviting us. Thank you for making me a plate. God bless you, Nico, too. Many more years, happy birthdays, and ships to sail. Captain. Alright. Thank you. Tapusin mo na, okay.